Are infidelity clauses enforceable? Have you ever wondered if infidelity clauses in prenuptial agreements actually hold up in court? Let's break this down together. Infidelity clauses, sometimes called no-cheating clauses, are designed to impose penalties if one spouse commits adultery during the marriage. These penalties can range from losing certain financial benefits to increased settlement amounts if infidelity occurs. Now, the enforceability of these clauses can vary widely based on where you live. In many states, especially those that follow no-fault divorce laws, infidelity clauses are often not enforceable. States like California, Nevada, Iowa, and Hawaii typically do not allow penalties for marital misconduct. This is because no-fault divorce laws aim to dissolve marriages without assigning blame. In these states, courts usually divide assets fairly, without considering who was at fault. However, if infidelity caused financial harm, it might still influence decisions about alimony or asset division. On the flip side, some states, including Pennsylvania and Tennessee, do allow for fault-based divorce grounds, which means they may enforce infidelity clauses. In these areas, such clauses can be upheld if they are clearly written, agreed upon voluntarily, and do not go against public policy. The wording and fairness of the clause are very important when determining if it can be enforced. Even in places where infidelity clauses are not legally enforceable, they can still have practical effects. For instance, a spouse who cheats might agree to a higher settlement to avoid the embarrassment of their affair being made public. However, these clauses can also create tension and distrust before marriage, and they may complicate divorce proceedings by increasing conflict. Additionally, courts might refuse to enforce an infidelity clause if the prenuptial agreement was signed under pressure, without proper legal advice, or if the clause violates specific state laws or fairness principles. If you are considering including an infidelity clause in your prenup, it is essential to understand the laws in your state. Consulting with a knowledgeable family law attorney can help clarify whether such a clause would be enforceable in your situation and how evidence of infidelity might affect divorce outcomes. While infidelity clauses aim to provide a legal response to betrayal, their actual enforceability and impact depend heavily on local laws and the specific circumstances of each case.